Hi, welcome to Emotional Freedom with Dr. Shelley. I am Dr. Shelley Nash, Women's Empowerment Coach, and I love helping women to get beyond limiting beliefs, get beyond the things that are keeping them stuck, get beyond and figure out how to be more successful in their lives. So one of the things that's been powerful for me is using essential oils for not only stress relief, but for some emotional clearing and emotional relief. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the basics of using essential oils for emotional health. So one of the reasons that essential oils can be so helpful for this is that you have an essential oil, and when you smell it in through your nose, and it goes past your olfactory bulb into the area called the limbic brain. And in the limbic brain, we refer to it as the seat of emotion. It's also known as your subconscious area of your brain. So things that are held subconsciously, belief systems, limiting beliefs, can be helped with essential oils that are directed to those specific limiting beliefs. And so that's how essential oils get into that emotional part of your body. So the basic ways that you can use essential oils are, number one, to diffuse the essential oils into the air, so you're breathing them in. So you have a diffuser and you put water in, then the essential oil, and diffuse it into the air. Then you'll naturally breathe it into your lungs, through your nose. It will naturally get into your system. So that's an easy way to use essential oils. Another way is to just apply it to your skin. Apply it to the thinner parts of your skin on your wrist or behind your ears, which is often where we put perfume. We're not really using it for the perfume part of the essential oil. We're using it more for the clinical effect of the essential oils. So it will absorb in quickly in the thinner parts of the skin. Also, to put it on your feet is a great place to put essential oils, because of all the reflexology points that are on the feet. It will get into the whole body by just placing it on your feet. So often I recommend placing it on your feet either straight or with a fractionated coconut oil diluted at night, and then put a socks on before you go to bed. In Arizona, where we're wearing sandals a lot, it's kind of hard to put essential oils on our feet during the day because we'd be slipping and sliding through our sandals. So mostly I recommend it at night. Other places where you're wearing socks more throughout the year, it's easier for you to use it throughout the day as well. Or if you're wearing socks for work, you could apply essential oils on your feet before you went to work and put your socks on, and then you would have that effect throughout the day. However, it's just as effective to put it on the thin part of your wrist or behind your ears as well, and to smell it in. So another way to smell in the essential oils is to do something called Aromatic Prayer. So you would take essential oil. This one is clary sage, which we talked about last week. You take a drop of it on your palm, rub your palms together, and then cup it over your nose. You want to kind of gauge where it's going to be the strength that you want it. Sometimes you can get it very close, and you want to breathe in and hold your breath for as long as you can hold it, and then breathe out. And you want to do that a couple times. And then, so we call it aromatic prayer, obviously, because it's like a prayer position over your mouth. So that's a great way to kind of give yourself a timeout and do a couple times, 2-3 times of breathing that way. Holding it in for 3 to 5 counts really gets it into your system quickly. So those are a couple ways in which you can use essential oils for emotions, and I'll be getting back to you with a couple other ways. Feel free to look at my website, www.drshelleynash.com, for more information about Break Through Your Inner Blocks, and I look forward to talking to you again. Bye.